If you're seeing Photopea error code 503, don't panic. In most cases, this is a temporary server or connection issue, and you can often fix it in just a few minutes without losing your project. In this video, I'll show you several practical solutions, starting with the fastest fix and then moving on to browser, network, and cache troubleshooting steps. I'll also show you how to protect your work before refreshing Photopea. If this guide helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more useful software troubleshooting tutorials. Let's get started. First, wait a few minutes and reload Photopea. Error 503 usually means that the service is temporarily unavailable. This can happen because of a sudden traffic increase, a quick server restart, or a temporary issue with Photopea's hosting or edge network. Wait around 2 to 5 minutes, then press F5 on Windows or Command+R on a Mac. You can also click the reload button in your browser. In many cases, Photopea will start working again after a short wait. Before attempting a full page reload, check whether your Photopea project is still open in the editor. If the application is open and your project is visible, save your work locally first. Go to the File menu, choose Save as PSD, and save the file somewhere easy to find on your computer. This is an important step because refreshing the page can sometimes interrupt an unsaved project. Saving a PSD copy gives you a backup that you can reopen later, even if Photopea temporarily stops responding. If a normal reload does not fix the problem, try a hard refresh. A hard refresh forces your browser to request a fresh response directly from Photopea instead of loading an old cached page. On Windows, press Ctrl plus F5. On a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus R. You can also open the browser's reload menu and choose the option to perform a hard reload depending on the browser you are using. This can help when your browser has stored an error page or outdated files from an earlier attempt to load Photopea. The next step is to temporarily disable any VPN, proxy, or custom DNS service you may be using. VPNs and proxies change the route between your device and Photopea's servers. If that route is slow, blocked, or misidentified, Photopea's network may return a 503 response. Turn off your VPN or proxy temporarily, reload Photopea, and check whether the editor opens normally. If you use custom DNS settings, try switching back to your internet provider's default DNS or a trusted standard DNS service, then test the site again. After Photopea works, you can re-enable your VPN and test whether the issue returns. Another useful test is to open Photopea in an incognito or private browsing window. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N in Chrome-based browsers. On a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus N. If you are using a browser with a different private window shortcut, you can also open the private window from the browser menu. Then visit Photopea again and check whether the editor loads. If Photopea works in incognito mode but not in your normal browser window, the problem is likely connected to cached files, cookies, an extension, or another saved browser setting. In that situation, clear the cache and cookies for Photopea in your regular browser. You can usually do this through the browser's privacy and security settings. Search for stored site data, find Photopea, remove its cookies and cached files, and then close and reopen the browser. You may need to sign in again or reload the website afterward. It is also worth temporarily disabling browser extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and network security extensions. Some extensions can interfere with the scripts or connections Photopea needs to load. Disable them one at a time, reload Photopea, and identify whether one of them is causing the issue. If the site works after disabling an extension, add Photopea to that extension's allowed list if the option is available. If none of these steps work, the issue may be affecting Photopea itself rather than your device. Try opening the website from another browser, another network, or a mobile hotspot. You can also check whether other websites are loading normally. If Photopea fails across multiple browsers and networks, waiting a little longer may be the best solution because the 503 response could be caused by temporary service maintenance or unusually high traffic. Remember, error code 503 usually does not mean your project is permanently damaged. The most important thing is to save your work as a PSD whenever the editor is still open. Then try a normal reload, a hard refresh, disabling VPNs or proxies, and testing in incognito mode. If incognito works, clear the browser's Photopea cache and cookies before returning to your regular session. And that's how to troubleshoot Photopea error code 503. Start by waiting 2 to 5 minutes, save your project locally if possible, perform a hard refresh, disable VPNs or proxies, and test Photopea in a private window. If this video helped you fix the problem, please like the video and subscribe for more Photopea guides, browser fixes, and software troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching.